Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Cold Stone, Ice Cream and Rewards app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Cold Stone app is designed to make your ice cream experience smoother and sweeter. It allows users to browse the entire Cold Stone Creamery menu, customize their favorite creations, and place pickup or delivery orders directly from the app. Available on both iOS and Android, it also lets you save favorite orders and locate nearby stores with ease. One of the app's best features is its My Cold Stone Club Rewards program, where users earn points for every dollar spent. These points can be redeemed for discounts and free treats, while members also receive birthday rewards and exclusive offers. The app's clean layout and simple interface make it easy to order your favorite combinations, whether it's a signature creation or a custom mix of ice cream, mix-ins, and toppings. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the convenience of ordering ahead, earning rewards, and skipping lines. The personalized offers and easy reward tracking also make it a popular choice among loyal customers. However, some users have reported minor glitches in order tracking or login issues. Additionally, delivery times can vary depending on location and demand. In summary, the Cold Stone app may be worth using if you frequently visit their stores or want to earn rewards for your ice cream purchases. It's ideal for fans who love convenience, customization, and sweet perks. However, if you only visit occasionally or prefer in-person ordering, you might not find the rewards program as beneficial. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.